While Florida was previously a popular destination due to affordable housing, prices on single-family homes have surged, making it less affordable. This has caused many people to look at condos as an alternative, but condos come with their own set of issues. So new construction has become another popular option, but homeowners association oversight is a concern in these communities, and property taxes can be unexpectedly high due to reassessments in the second year of ownership. On top of that, we are continuously facing an insurance crisis, making both our home and auto insurance rates some of the highest in the nation. However, there is a positive: no state income tax. What's up, everyone? Brand the Mortgage Man here, and I've helped more than 10,000 home buyers over my 22-year career, putting me in the top 1% of loan originators nationwide. Since I live in Florida and 95% of the loans I originate are in Florida, I'm very well versed on the pros and cons that come with living here. In this video, I'll explain details on each of these topics and why it's important to do your research before moving to or within the state of Florida. So let's get into it. So let's talk a little about the real estate market and how much it's changed. Because the real estate market in Florida has become less affordable due to a combination of rising demand and constrained supply. The state's warm climate, attractive tax benefits, and recreational opportunities have drawn a surge of new residents, particularly from higher cost states like New York and California. And this influx has intensified competition for available properties, driving up prices. Other factors such as increasing interest rates and inflation have further strained affordability. As mortgage rates rise, monthly payments become more burdensome for prospective buyers, narrowing the pool of those who can afford to purchase homes. Existing homeowners may also be reluctant to sell their properties and move, fearing they won't find affordable alternatives in the current market. This contributes to a tighter housing market, compounding affordability issues as both supply and buyer purchasing power are squeezed. So many people are turning to the condo market instead. But the condominium market in Florida is a prominent segment of the state's real estate landscape, appealing to a diverse array of buyers due to its attractive features like lower maintenance requirements and access to community amenities such as pools and gyms. But condos often provide a more affordable entry point into desirable locations compared to single-family homes, making them a popular choice among first-time buyers, retirees, and seasonal residents. However, despite these advantages, purchasing a condo in Florida carries certain risks that prospective buyers should carefully consider. One significant risk associated with buying a condo in Florida is the potential for special assessments and increased maintenance fees. Condominiums are governed by homeowners associations, or HOAs, that manage communal areas and maintenance. When unforeseen repairs or improvements are needed, such as those due to structural issues, weather damage, or code compliance, HOAs may levy special assessments on the condo owners. These assessments could be substantial, leading to unexpected financial burdens. Additionally, maintenance fees, which cover routine upkeep and amenities, can increase over time, impacting the overall cost of ownership. For older buildings, especially those in coastal areas, the risk of significant maintenance issues and rising fees is heightened due to the harsh environmental conditions that can accelerate wear and tear. The Florida condo market is also facing pressure that are likely to contribute to a decrease in prices. Rising interest rates and economic uncertainties are dampening buyer enthusiasm and affordability and making it more difficult for prospective buyers to secure financing. Additionally, the market is experiencing a shift as buyers explore alternative housing options, such as single-family homes or newly constructed properties, which may offer better value and fewer maintenance concerns. The recent emphasis on stringent building codes and safety standards, prompted by high-profile incidents like the Champlain Towers collapse, has also led to increased costs for building repairs and insurance. As supply outpaces demand and these additional costs burden both sellers and buyers, condo prices in Florida are likely to face downward pressure, making it a challenging market for both investors and homeowners. And that's why many are turning to new construction properties and new construction deals. Purchasing a new construction home from a builder in Florida offers several compelling benefits, starting with the opportunity to enjoy modern features and up-to-date building standards. New homes are built with the latest materials and technologies, which often include energy-efficient appliances, advanced insulation, and smart home systems. These features not only contribute to lower utility bills and reduce maintenance, but also ensure that the home meets current safety and environmental standards. Additionally, new construction homes typically come with warranties that cover major structural components and systems, providing peace of mind and financial protection against unexpected repairs. Another significant advantage is the customization and personalization options options available when you buy new construction. Home buyers have the chance to work directly with builders to choose finishes, layouts, and upgrades that match their preferences and lifestyle. This level of customization allows for a more personalized living space and can result in a home that better fits individuals' needs compared to purchasing an existing property where renovations and adjustments might be necessary. Furthermore, buying a home often means avoiding the need for immediate repairs or renovations that older homes may require, offering a move-in ready solution with minimal additional investment. On top of that, home builders often provide credits to buyers as a strategic incentive to encourage purchases and differentiate their offerings from competing properties. These credits can come in various forms, such as discounts on the purchase price, allowances for upgrades and customization, or contributions toward closing costs. By offering these credits, builders enable buyers to either lower their initial investment or enhance their new home with additional features and improvements. This flexibility not only makes the home more appealing, but also helps buyers manage their budget more effectively while personalizing their living space to better suit their preferences and needs. Now we have to worry about homeowners associations when we're done with these new construction communities. And homeowners associations, or HOAs, are very common in Florida due to the state's substantial growth in planned communities and developments. Florida's appealing climate and booming real estate market have led to the creation of many master planned communities where HOAs play a crucial role in maintaining property values and managing communal amenities. HOAs help enforce community rules, such as maintaining aesthetic standards and ensuring shared spaces, which can enhance the overall living experience and attract potential buyers. This organizational structure is particularly advantageous in Florida's densely populated areas and large-scale developments where shared resources and uniformity are essential. However, recent changes have reduced the power of HOAs in Florida, largely due to growing concerns among residents about overreach and excessive regulation.
You ain't getting away with it this time. Anything on your porch, anything except a doormat after 5 p.m. is a violation of HOA policy. That's been on your porch all day. I don't know what you're doing, but that violates HOA policy. It's a $50 fine for leaving that broom on your porch. I'll bring the fine by in a little bit. You can pay with check, card, cash, whatever you have, basically. You ain't getting away with it this time, dude. Okay? I'll be back.
Legislative reforms aimed at increasing transparency and protecting homeowners' rights have introduced new regulations that limit the scope of HOA authority. For example, laws have been enacted to improve financial transparency, restrict excessive fines, and safeguard homeowners against arbitrary decisions. These changes reflect a broader shift toward balancing the benefits of HOA governance with the need to protect individual property owners' rights, ensuring that while HOAs can still remain community standards, they do so with greater accountability and fairness. Now, one thing you have to be concerned with when you're buying any property, especially when you're buying new construction, are the property taxes. In Florida, property taxes can be reassessed based on changes in the property's market value, which can impact a homeowner significantly. The state's property tax system operates on a just value assessment method, meaning that the property taxes are determined by the current market value of that property. If a property's market value increases due to factors like neighborhood improvements or overall real estate market trends, its assessed value will rise, leading to higher property taxes. This reassessment can result in increased annual tax bills for homeowners, affecting their financial planning and housing affordability. However, Florida has measures in place to mitigate the impact of these reassessments through the Save Our Homes Amendment, which limits the amount by which a property's assessed value can increase each year to a maximum of 3% or the rate of inflation, whichever is lower. This cap helps protect long-term homeowners from dramatic increases in property taxes due to rapidly rising market values. While the Save Our Homes Amendment provides some relief, new homeowners or those who have made significant improvements to their property may not benefit from this protection and could face higher tax assessments. Overall, while reassessments aim to reflect current market conditions, they can create financial challenges for homeowners, particularly if a property value rises significantly, like in the case of a new construction property that's initially taxed on the vacant land and then reassessed based on the improved value, which is the home. Now, on top of homeowners association, high taxes, another thing we worry about here in Florida are homeowners insurance, and we are facing a homeowners insurance crisis. Homeowners insurance has become a significant issue in Florida due to increasing frequency and severity of natural disasters, particularly hurricanes. The state's vulnerability to these extreme weather events has led insurance companies to face substantial financial risks, resulting in higher premiums for homeowners. As claims from storm damage mount, insurers have struggled to balance their books, leading many to either increase rates significantly or withdraw from the market altogether. And this withdrawal has reduced competition, further driving up costs for consumers and leaving many homeowners with fewer insurance options. Additionally, the high incidence of fraudulent claims and litigation related to property damage has exacerbated the problem. Florida's legal environment has historically allowed the broad claims and litigation, which, combined with increased repair costs and a challenging construction environment, places additional financial strain on insurers. As a result, insurance companies have been compelled to raise premiums or impose stricter policy terms, making it increasingly difficult for homeowners to afford adequate coverage. This has led to a growing insurance crisis, with many Floridians struggling to find or maintain affordable homeowners insurance. And on top of that, we're seeing the same scenarios with our automobile insurance. Automobile insurance in Florida is notably expensive due to a combination of high risk factors and regulatory challenges. One major factor is the state's high rate of traffic accidents and severe crashes, which leads to more frequent and costly claims. Florida's densely populated roads and urban areas, along with a large number of drivers, increase the likelihood of accidents, making insurance premiums higher to cover the potential financial risk. Additionally, the state has one of the highest rates of uninsured drivers in the country, which forces insured drivers to shoulder additional costs when accidents involve those without coverage. Another contributing factor is Florida's unique legal and regulatory environment. The state's no-fault insurance system requires drivers to carry personal injury protection, or PIP coverage, which can be costly and has led to high insurance premiums. Furthermore, legal challenges such as frequent litigation and high volume of fraudulent claims have increased the financial burden on insurance companies. These issues, combined with rising repair costs and the high cost of medical expenses related to accidents, contribute to the overall expense of automobile insurance in Florida. Now, those are all the negatives mixed with a few positives, but one real positive we have here in the state of Florida is that we have no state income tax. And Florida's lack of state income tax is a significant financial benefit for its residents because it offers them a substantial advantage over states with high income tax rates. By not imposing a state income tax, Florida allows individuals to keep more of their earnings, which can enhance their overall financial well-being and increase disposable income. This policy is particularly attractive to high-income earners, retirees, and business owners who can save and invest more of their income. The absence of state income tax also makes Florida a more appealing destination for new residents and businesses, contributing to the state's robust economic growth and dynamic job market. Additionally, our lack of state income tax can have a broader economic benefit for residents. With more disposable income, individuals are likely to spend more on goods, services, and housing, which stimulates the local economies and supporting job creation in various sectors. This financial flexibility can also be advantageous for retirees, who often live on fixed incomes and can benefit significantly from the tax savings. Furthermore, the state's reliance on other revenue sources such as sales tax and tourism-related taxes helps to balance the budget while minimizing the direct tax burden on residents, fostering a favorable economic environment that supports both personal financial growth and broader economic vitality. As you can see, there are pros and cons when it comes to living in Florida, and it's extremely important that you do your own research before making a move. If you find this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can continue educating yourself on real estate and mortgages. And make sure to leave a comment below if you have questions about your own scenario. I reply to 100% of the comments left in my videos.